Students, now we are going to solve fifth part of question number 1. In this question we will have two equations like 7x minus 2y is upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. These equations can be written as 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Clear? Now here x cancel, y cancel, here also x cancel and y cancel. So these equations will become 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. Clear? And 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Now we will write these equations. We will write above equations can be written as 7 into 1 upon y minus 2 into 1 upon x is equal to 5 and 8 into 1 upon y plus 7 into 1 upon x is equal to 15. Now we will suppose that 1 upon y is equal to something and 1 upon x is equal to something. Okay, let 1 upon y is equal to p and 1 upon x is equal to q, and this is our a. Then equations will be reduced in 7p minus 2q is equal to 5 and 8p plus 7q is equal to 15. Clear? Now we will solve these two equations by elimination method. Now put equation number 1 and equation number 2. See students, if we multiply equation 1 by 8 and equation 2 by 7, then what will happen? Multiplying equation 1 by 8 and equation 2 by 7. So what will happen? 56p minus 16q is equal to 40, equation number 3, and 56p plus 49q is equal to 105, equation number 4. Now solving these two equations, simply subtract equation number 4 from equation number 3, change the sign, these two cancel, and minus 65q is equal to minus 65. Clear? Minus cancel and q is equal to 1. Putting q is equal to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1 is here 7p minus 2 into 1 is equal to 5, then 7p is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, then p is equal to 7 upon 7 is equal to 1. Now we have p and q. Okay. Now putting p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 1 in A. So what is A? 1 upon y is equal to p. So 1 upon y is equal to p. This implies 1 upon y is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to 1. And 1 upon x is equal to q. This implies 1 upon x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the answer of this question. Okay, you can note it down.